welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to the first video of 2019. I wasn't nervous until now. Why am I even nervous? This is my channel. I hope you guys had a wonderful festive season and a very happy new year. I hope 2019 is kicking off just the way you wanted it to. I have been just chilling and relaxing and just sort of psyching myself up for the new year, new projects and stuff, so that's really exciting. So I just thought I'd kick off my first video of the year with a old school get ready with me, let's chat, and I'll be using new makeup that I've received as well. I hope you can't hear anything in the background besides the waterfall. There happens to be construction, but I have to have my doors open because it's quite warm in Cape Town today. So yeah, so let's get started with today's video. So unlike most of my normal videos, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows on camera today. I've just brought you a little bit closer. Nothing has changed in the new year. I'm still doing my brows the same way. I'm using my MAC Deep Dark Brunette brow gel fluid. I'm just gonna go in and shape these brows. I did have my brows threaded, not recently, sometime in December. Is it December? Yeah, sometime in December. My hair has definitely grown back, so I'm due for another thread, but I wasn't really happy with the way that she did it. They didn't look even to me, so I don't think I'll be going back there. I also haven't been wearing much makeup this December period. Doing a full face feels kinda different for me. I did a full face, like full glam, like once or twice when I went out. Otherwise, on a daily basis, I was literally makeup free. I was not even doing eyebrows. I did wear makeup on a few occasions, however, Christmas and one or two lunches and stuff. But other than that, I really haven't been wearing any makeup. I think my skin has really loved that. I just do have 2 hormonal breakouts on this cheek here, but that's to be expected. But otherwise, I think my skin is really happy with the sort of break that I took with it. It wasn't intentional. I just got really lazy in terms of doing my makeup, and I've really just been enjoying that. My skin has been loving that, so that's great. To carve out my brows, I'm going in with my Inglot Freedom System concealer. I don't know what shade this is. I'm going in with my MAC, oh that's rubbed off, MAC 212 flat definer brush. I'm gonna set my brows, which is something I rarely do, but I think I want to set them today. I'm gonna take my Benefit Gimme Brow. I haven't used this in a very long time. But you know, when the weather is like this, you sort of just want to make sure everything is good and isn't gonna move. So we just... let's do eyes first, because I'm using a particularly colorful palette today, and I think I'm just gonna go for like a green eye. I'm gonna keep it like that, but I'm gonna prime my lids with some concealer. I'm taking my Go Pro HD concealer and taking this across my lid. So just taking this Real Techniques synthetic brush. What is it called? The name's rubbed off, I think. Yeah. And we're just gonna set this. With everything that you put cream or liquid, you're gonna set. So I'm just taking my Laura Mercier and I'm just gonna set that. This is my personal Laura Mercier. So I want to do this new thing in 2019 of not using makeup from my private or personal collection, because I mean, no one sends me this. I purchased this myself, and it's so hard to get my hands on it at a reasonable price. So I'm gonna start using products in my office so that I try new stuff as well, because a lot of my private collection makeup is what I purchase myself. So doing it this way will allow me to try new stuff. Okay, so the palette I'm using today is from Ace Beauty, and this is from Muse Beauty. It's not there's a brand called Ace Beauty and Muse Beauty stocks it. That's what I'm trying to say. I got this because I purchased a pair a set of eyelashes from Ace Beauty, some bomb-ass fire lashes, so they were kind enough to also just add this to my order. And it's the Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette. It is a very vibrant palette, you guys. Super vibrant, super out there. So we are just gonna go in and try it out. I'm just gonna go in with a transition shade first, which I don't have. Let me find it quickly. So I'm opening up my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade called Riff, which is this orange or brown, sorry. And it's just like a neutral brown, which I think is ideal for setting up the eye. I'm taking a large fluffy shading brush and I'm going in with Riff. Now I could easily just take my face powder that I would use for my face and put it in my crease, which is what I could have done, but I'm not gonna be lazy. I'm gonna use a proper shadow, and we just want a nice start for this green eye. So we want a transition shade that somewhat goes into our brow bone and that can carry the green nicely. So we're not going too crazy in our crease. I'm gonna just continue building this color until it's where I need it to be. I think the Born to Run palette was one of my favorite palettes of 2018. It's a good palette, it's an all-rounder, it does what you need it to do. It has all of the shades that you basically need to create pretty much almost any look you need to create. I'm then gonna go in with my Sigma tapered blending brush, which is the E35 brush. And I'm gonna go in with the shade called Punk, which is a deeper brown, but it's a lot more, it's got a reddish undertone to it. And we're gonna use this very lightly in this area because I don't really want this to be a smoky eye. Okay, my email is going crazy. I just want my eye to have a little bit of depth. So we're just taking this very lightly, and we're using this tapered brush because it's gonna disperse the product out quite nicely and not have it too heavily concentrated in one area. Now that we've set up the eye, we're gonna go back in with our concealer. I'm going back in with that Allego concealer. I'm not creating a cut crease. All I wanna do is have a nice, real nice base for the green that I wanna take. Now the green I'm going in with is this one here. It's this one here, and it's called Kiwi. And I'm gonna pack this onto my lid. It's a matte green. And I'm gonna go in with my MAC 217, and I'm going back in with Riff. I'm mixing Riff and Punk together. So for a look like this, I'm not going to put eyeliner. I'm just going to coat my lashes with mascara. So I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. I think I received this towards the end of last year and I haven't used it yet. So I'm just going to coat my lashes If you watched my vlogs, you would know that I did these eyelash extensions and they're all out except for one. So the lashes I'm taking are from Ace Beauty. This is also from Muse Beauty. And I feel like I lost one lash, but these lashes are so dramatic and so I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I have used these lashes before. I'm taking a liquid liner and I'm just covering up the lash line. There we have these bombast lashes on a really bold and beautiful eye. So I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay Urban Complexion Primer. Urban Defense Complexion Primer. It smooths out the skin. Okay, I don't have a new foundation to try today, so I'm reaching for one that I haven't touched in a while. I'm taking the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Hydrating Foundation. To apply this, I'm taking my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. You guys know that you can get a discount on your Sigma orders, so I will leave all that information down below. Taking some. I'm applying it. I think that's the worst way you can apply foundation. I'm just gonna take it straight to my face. This foundation finish is more dewy than it is mattifying, which I think is ideal for summer because you want your skin to look plump and healthy. I'm taking my LA Gold Pro. I'm not making my sponge damp because I want this to be as full coverage as possible because my foundation was on the sheer side. I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm just smoothing those harsh lines out. Because my foundation is looking a little bit, I don't know, my base is looking a little bit weird, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier because I don't want to risk it anymore, and I'm just gonna go in and set this. One thing I want to do is contour my jawline, cream contour my jawline, and I'm taking a Sigma curved kabuki brush. It's a F83. I like that it's curved like this because it goes right in my jawline. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Black Opal True Color Ultra Matte Foundation Powder. I'm just setting, the shade I'm using is medium dark, and I'm just setting where I didn't bake. I'm setting my foundation. Let's go ahead and finish this eye. So I'm gonna take my Michelle Ori black liner and do a very thin waterline. I'm contouring my nose with my foundation powder because in contrast to the concealer, it's still gonna look quite dark. Okay, to contour the rest of my face, to powder contour, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt in Shape Contour Palette, which is this one over here. And I'm gonna mix, I'm gonna use these two shades because they're quite warm. For blush, and I don't really use blush, I'm using a bronzer. And I'm going in with my Smashbox step-by-step contour kit, and I'm taking this terracotta shade here. This isn't new, but it is a oldie but a goodie, and it's one that I went back to using this festive season when I did wear makeup, and I wanted to look a lot more bronze. I'm gonna spritz some Fix Plus. This is the MAC Fix Plus Gold Lights. I'm going back in to do my lower lashes with my L'Oreal mascara. Got a super new highlighter to try, and this one is very interesting. It's from GLAMGLOW, and it's the GLAMGLOW Glow Powder, and it has these highlighters here. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Sexy, which is the last one. Is it called Sexy? I don't know what the shade is called, but there's Sexy written on it. Tip of the nose, it never gets old. And brow bone. For lips, I'm using NYX Cosmetics, and I have the NYX or NYX Brown Lip Pencil, NYX Slip Tease Lip Lacquer, so it's a gloss. And I just found the color so interesting. It's like a terracotta orangish brown. It's looking very orange in there. I'm seriously hoping this lip works with this eye. Like, there's sometimes when I glance at myself and I'm like, and then it looks cute, but I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, my first video of 2019. I hope you guys have had, once again, a wonderful start to the year. I hope it is full of blessings and extremely prosperous for all of you guys. This is your chance to comment down below and have me look at any requests that you guys may have for videos that you want to see from me. I'm really open to trying out new things and just giving you guys what you want. So let me know down below what you guys want to see from me this year, next week, whatever it is. I like listening to your suggestions. I really like taking them into consideration and subsequently doing videos about them. So let me know, and once again, I'll leave all the links to the products I use down below, and I'll be sure to see you on Thursday. Bye.